What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
We have our special guest, Allie, here. Hi. She has never made, have you ever made a bow before?
No.
Okay, she's never made a bow.
All right, I love this. You guys, lemons are super popular. I love working with them. I think they're so fresh and fun, and we picked out some prints here. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bigger one first, and it's not very fancy, but I just drop it on the floor. So take it here and just drop it on the floor, okay? Lovely. So what we're gonna do is make a tail, like so. It can be any length, any length of tail. And then I like to just walk it together and squish it. So yes. And then I lay it back. Yep.
Okay.
And then just take it, your pinch, and lay it back. You're doing this. Lay it back.
Like that?
Just like that.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna make a loop from back to front like this. Like so.
Am I backwards?
Yep. Nope, you're fine. So you're just gonna squish it again right here. And then you squish it again. See here? Okay, lovely. At this point, I just kind of rest it between my fingertips like so.
Okay.
This thing, when you lay it back, this is your tail up and under here. So just make sure you can see the pretty part of your tail, that it's laying beautifully like so.
Okay.
Now, this ribbon is gonna make your next loop. This one laying on top here. Now we're gonna twist it completely upside down. Okay? You see all of the back side completely upside down. Lovely. And it lays right against that tail.
Okay.
Wonderful. Now you're going to make another loop from back to front. Yep. And squish it again, just like the other ones. Walk those sides together and just add it right on top of the next one. And put your fingers together.
Okay.
And then bring that tail where the pretty side is up again. Make sure this tail is up again. And then take your two loops and make sure that they're the same height. You're doing really good. Really good. Okay. Now, I like big mega bows, so I like to stack. I'm going to take this gorgeous, this is so pretty, this 1.5 inch, and you have yours here. Drop it on the floor. Now take this one and lay it over the top. Awesome. That's a really pretty color combination. Like, you could add bees to lemons with that. It's so pretty. Okay. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be the same length. Totally fine. All right. Now you're going to squish it again. Right here. Like, walk it together and add it right to the top. Now lay this back and make your loop from back to front.
Like that?
Yep. Yes. Just like that. Yep. And then walk it together, squish it, and add it right to the top. So you're making like a club sandwich. You're like stacking them right on top of the next. Yes. Just like that. Lovely.
Ellie, are you sure you've never made it?
I know. This is way too easy for Allie. You nailed it.
You don't see what I see.
I see what you see, and it looks really good. Now, just check these two loops and make sure that they're the same height. And if they're not, just pull on them and make them the same height. Lovely. You want to use a little pipe cleaner. You can put it around the middle and just twist it. Y'all, it's so good. You too. I've got a handful of bow. So you can trim your tails just like right here, and then release it from the rest of the.
Just at an angle, or?
Yeah. You can cut it at an angle, or you could dovetail it, or you could curl it. Lots of options. Boom. All right, I'm out.